Got an ABU1 file from your Acronis backup workflow? This backup format protects your important data from loss. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with Acronis True Image backups. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise, a dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like ABU1. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. This file is a backup archive created by Acronis True Image, a popular disk imaging and disaster recovery software. Users encountered ABU1 files when they need to restore their system, specific folders, or individual files from a previously created backup, often after a hardware failure or malware attack. The ABU1 format is a proprietary binary container designed for high compression and data integrity. It segments large backups into manageable chunks and includes metadata for incremental and differential backups. This structure optimizes storage space and allows for reliable point-in-time system restoration, which is critical for its purpose. The native handler for ABU1 files is usually Acronis Cyber Protect Home Office from Acronis International GmbH. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safety compression. Windows shows limited detail for most backup files, so restoration tools must interpret their content. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the ABU1 file and choose Open With. Start with Acronis Cyber Protect Home Office if available. If not, select another application from the list. If the ABU1 file won't budge, stay calm. If the file is still refusing to open, we are focused on just 3 major problems. We'll explore every common culprit and conduct the diagnostic step for it. First, restoring with Acronis True Image. Install Acronis True Image and open the ABU1 file through the application's Restore interface. Browse to specific files folders or restore entire backup contents. Choose original locations or alternate destinations for restored files. Acronis handles decompression and writing while preserving original metadata. Next, mounting as virtual drive. Use Acronis True Image's mount feature to access ABU1 backup contents as a virtual drive without performing full restoration. Browse the mounted backup, extracting individual files as needed. This approach enables quick file recovery without restoring entire backup sets for selective data retrieval requirements. Finally, verifying backup integrity. Use Acronis True Image's Verify function to check ABU1 backup integrity before relying on backups for critical restoration. The verification reads through backup contents, checking for corruption, providing confidence that backups will restore successfully when needed. Run verifications regularly on important backup repositories. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.